Hi, welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Hital.
I'm Anuja, and today we're going to show you how to make a paneer chaat flatbread or pizza. Great, yummy, innovative stuff. So let's get started.
Yep, but before we do that, if you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon, and you will be the first to know every time we post a recipe. It's so important to push that bell button, so please do that.
Right. So we actually have a party this weekend, and what we're planning to make is this paneer chaat recipe, a flatbread recipe. So we have paneer over here, and basically it is the same recipe that we have in our on our website for paneer bhurji. So you can go check it out. We will put the link below this video also for easy access for you. So we already have that.
And here we have 2 pieces of naan. Of course, you can have as many pieces as you need for your party or for your dinner, for whatever. But we're using little naans like this, individual size. But if you don't have naan, you can also, or if you're making for a big gathering, you can also use flatbread that you can just buy from the store, like a nice big flatbread, and it'll give you the same kind of effect.
The other idea actually is we get naans that are the bite-sized ones, and those are so cute. A little more work goes into them because you're sitting and putting in every individual one, but you know, those are great appetizers. Great presentation, very cute. So
it's like the two bite appetizers, you know, especially for a party. You just grab it, you don't need a plate, nothing like that. So perfect for that.
So we're going to use paneer. We've got some cilantro over here.
We also have some mint green chutney and some tamarind chutney.
And we're going to be putting some onions on it for the crunch. So I've just got a mandolin, and I'm just going to slice some onions. That's about it. I'm just going to cut these down so that you don't have like strings when you're taking bites.
So back to our little pieces of naan and our paneer mixture right here, paneer bhurji. So we're going to take a little bit of this, and this is all to taste. So once you have your bhurji ready to go, if you like a lot of paneer, you know, slather it on very thick. If you want just a hint of paneer, you know, it's up to you. Right. So let's go ahead and do that. And the thing about this recipe is it depends on your tomatoes and you know how liquidy or how spreadable this paneer mixture is, but feel free to adjust it to where it can be a nice spreadable consistency.
Right, and if you're making it ahead of time, it's a great one to make ahead of time. So if you're party planning, you can make the paneer ahead, but if you're doing that, just add a little extra liquid or a little extra tomatoes and keep it a little softer, because in the fridge it does tend to get hardened up a little bit.
Okay, I've got a nice layer here going.
And meanwhile, I'm going to get the oven ready at somewhere between 400 and 425 degrees is what you'd want. And once that pot is done, we're just going to add a little bit of onions. Again, that is honestly up to you.
So we're going to put this in the oven with the onions on there just to reduce the sharpness of the raw onion. But I mean, some people love raw onions. So if you're one of those people, then feel free to just, you know, add it on later.
Right. So once your oven is preheated, you're going to put it in to the oven for about somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the thickness of the naan bread or the flatbread that you use.
Right.
So keep an eye on it.
And we're going to put it straight onto the middle rack and not use a pan or anything else underneath it. Here it comes.
Whoa, nice and hot, right out of the oven. So what we're going to do, you can tell the onions are, like Heather mentioned, they've taken the edge off. Basically, the rawness is kind of gone. And we've got some chutneys over here. Here's some sweet chutney. Just going to drizzle it a little bit.
By the way, you can get the recipes for everything here. The tamarind chutney, the mint green chutney, the paneer bhurji, everything on our website. So please take a look at that, and we'll go ahead and link it at the bottom of this video as well.
And here's the mint chutney. It gives a wonderful flavor and freshness, and I think it just gives a little bit of tanginess to the dish and like a little element of surprise. And we've got cilantro. So again, that looks pretty.
So it's completely up to you how you want to present your flatbread. You can make it into nice little squares, bite-sized squares. You can make them like long strips. So any which way you like, it's all up to you. See how nice and crispy?
Yeah.
Flip that over. There we go. Look at that.
I love the sound of that crunch.
Individual pieces?
Yes.
How cute is that?
Ta-da! It's all ready. We put it in a plate. And guess what we have to do now? Give it a shot.
Yum. There's so many things going on in there. Paneer is smooth, soft, flavorful. The chutneys just add just a freshness, like wow. So if you like recipes like this, then please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell. It is very, very important because anytime we post a video, you'll be the first one to know. Also, please follow us on our social media platforms. We've got Instagram, we have Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course YouTube.
Yep. So join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com.
Adding a pinch of spice to your life.